So we will take that shapes here. I will take a circular design, make the different feature, add a paint. So let's take another shape. So there we are. I will take a paint within that. Similarly, we are using there. Add that paint here. Again, use the similar one. I will take that pattern stamp on that side of the shape. So let's make it. Keep generating the new designs. Explore the different features here. Thank you for watching our video.